Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Briarwood, this entrance. Very large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. On the left is the eating kitchen. You can put a dining table right here. Beautiful floors, a lot of cabinets. Got dishwasher. More cabinets. Fridge is gonna be right here. So it comes with a fridge, stove, dishwasher. A lot of common space. It's got a window in the kitchen. A large living room. On the right is the coat closet. On the left, one of the bedrooms here. He's got his own closet right here. The bathroom here, all renovated, very clean. Linen closet. This is the bigger bedroom here. It's got 2 windows, got a lot of light during the day. It's got 2 closets here, one here, another closet here. Windows. Beautiful apartment. Very close to the train. There's an E train and F train. Union Turnpike station on Queens Boulevard. And apartment's a very good price, gonna go very quick. If you don't know view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.